Are you struggling to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Today, I'm sharing with you how I made 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just 10 days. I'll share with you exactly what I posted, how I posted it. I'll share with you how I promoted my channel free of charge. I'll share with you the free AI tools that I use to help me create more content faster and efficiently. And finally, stick around till the end because we're going to speak about how to leverage YouTube Shorts to help you hit 1,000 subscribers fast. So, if this sounds like something you would like, please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. The first thing I did was to create a simple content plan. Now, you're planning to fail if you fail to plan. Most creators make this mistake. This is a rookie mistake, and I made it in the first few days of this channel, but in a few weeks, I picked up and I wanted to turn things around. So, you want to create your content schedule or your content calendar. So, you can choose between short form videos, long videos, and your live stream. But if you want to listen to my advice, you want to leverage on all these three content forms. That is the shorts, the long form videos, and the live streams. So just look at it this way. Your short videos gives you exposure and brings people to you, while your live stream helps you to build community and audience. Now your long form videos keeps them coming back. Talk about depth, talk about value and evergreen content. Those are your long form videos. Let's talk about short videos because this was my growth hack. Now I was posting between 2 to 4 short videos every day in August 2024. Now you can go back to my channel and have a look. In that period between August, September, October, you would notice a lot of short videos on my channel, and trust me, I made 1,000 subscribers in just 10 days. For every 3,000 or 2,000 views, I can boast of 3 or 4 new subscribers. So imagine posting even just 2 short videos in a day. Now let's talk about the kind of shorts we are speaking about. Now here is a tip for you. First, you want your short videos to be less than 10 seconds. I have noticed that my longer shorts don't really do well, except if I am crafting or dancing or speaking. Is to focus on shorts like 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 9 seconds. Another thing you want to do, you can use bold text in your shorts for accessibility. If you think your English is not polished enough, like me, I don't think I speak good English, so I help my audience by always adding subtitles or bold text. Now people like to read if they can't really hear you, so this would help accessibility on your short videos. So, you want to use your call to action like subscribe for more or subscribe for quick tips. Speaking about call to actions, a lot of us are not using our call to actions. In fact, when I first started, I was feeling shy to tell people to subscribe. Now here is how to use your call to actions. Instead of just saying subscribe, it means a lot to me. You can say things like this: if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow fast together. Here is another one. Subscribe now. We are building a community of creators helping creators. How does that sound to you? So, you want to connect the value of subscribing to your audience goals. This way, people get to subscribe more. Now, let us look at free promotion. I didn't just rely on YouTube inbuilt traffic. I promoted my content on other platforms and for free. I promoted on Pinterest and I promoted on Quora every single day, especially for my long form videos and my live streams. Now, if you don't have a Pinterest account, guys, you are wrong. Now, here is the good thing about Pinterest. You don't need followers over there to get traffic to your YouTube channel. If you can just make your Pinterest board neat, attractive, and it is problem solving, trust me, you'll be getting traffic to your YouTube channel. Now, the other way I got free traffic is by signing up on Quora. I go to Quora, I answer questions that are related to my niche. If you want to make money online, if you want to apply for a UK visa, I'm going to answer your question. I will answer it extensively. Once I'm done answering your question, I put my YouTube video links there. You might think you are not intelligent enough to answer questions on Quora, but that is not true. You don't even know the kind of knowledge you have until you get there. And here is a tip for you. You can use ChatGPT to answer these questions on Quora. Make sure you customize it so that it sounds like you are the one talking. Then you can put your YouTube video links there. For example, you can find someone on Quora saying, how can I get more YouTube subscribers? So for you that has gone over 1,000 subscribers, you have something to teach. No experience is a waste. So go on to Quora if you have not. Answer people's questions, try to solve their problems, then put your YouTube video links there. Please make sure you answer the questions properly before putting your links. Now, to keep up with content, I rely heavily on AI tools, and here are the tools that I use. Of course, my number one AI tool is ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to create my video script. I use ChatGPT to create voiceovers. I use ChatGPT to write my YouTube SEO optimized descriptions and titles, and I also use ChatGPT to answer those questions on Quora. Those questions I'm not really sure about and I don't want to flop. I use ChatGPT. I also use Canva AI for my thumbnails, for Pinterest, and for even quick graphics. Sometimes I pay for the subscription so I can get access to what I want. So once I've paid for the month, I batch produce a lot of content. So even when my Canva subscription is up for 2-3 months, I don't have to pay again. Now I have content bank where I create content and I just store them. For days I'm not feeling well or for days I cannot shoot something new. The next one I want to try, and I have not tried it, is Pictree AI. You can use Pictree AI to turn long form videos into viral style short clips. Now we have CapCut. CapCut for free editing, adding transitions, adding effects, adding overlays, adding stickers and animation. CapCut is your guy. So these content creation tools help cut my content creation time in half, and this helped me focus more on engagement and strategy. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I didn't stop. I wanted to get monetized fast, and I continued doing the same thing. I still post 2 short videos every day. In fact, since we entered the month of September, my views on my long form videos have been a bit low, so I try to make money on my short videos. So even if you hit 1,000 subscribers, please keep. Here is my repeatable system, and you can do this for yourself too. I post 2 to 3 short videos every day. I go live at least once in a week. Sometimes I go live 2 times in a week, and some weeks when I'm very busy, I don't go live at all. Now the next one is to upload at least 1 long form videos weekly. You can do 2 long form videos if you have the audience for it. Now, always share a piece of your content on Pinterest, on Quora, and if you even have Facebook groups, you can share your YouTube links there. And let me tell you something, YouTube will reward external traffic. Forget that myth that says, oh, if you share your links, you won't get views. It's not true. Always include a strong call to action in every video. Don't be afraid to use your call to actions. Don't be shy, because for some people, if you don't tell them to subscribe, they won't even remember to subscribe. So you want to tell your audience to subscribe. Now, by repeating this cycle, you'll get monetized fast in no time. And that's how I got 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 10 days. It is possible. It's all about strategy and planning.